I wanted everyone to experience this amazing waterfall. Part of my adventure today, I was up in Hot Springs, close to Hatch Patch. In the description, I'll put more about exactly where I was at. I can't remember all the phenomenal places way up on a mountain. And I got to experience this really cool waterfall as I was coming by. In western North Carolina, you get to see amazing items and lots of waterfalls. And yesterday I got to see some really cool bears. Not sure the name of this waterfall. It's kind of out here, pretty private, no little sign around to remind us what it is. Listen to that. It could put you to sleep quick. We're extremely close to Asheville, close to Tennessee, close to Marshall, close to Mars Hill, not too far from Burnsville, Knoxville, Tennessee, Johnson City. Isn't that amazing? I just want to take my shoes off and put my feet in that really cool water. It's toward the end of May, really close to June. We couldn't have asked for a better day. Look at that little rock there, just sitting there perfectly. All this scenery. You want to stop and enjoy the roses, but stop and enjoy the waterfalls. Just pulled over the